back at Big Green, and we have a few things on the list today. One of them is finally getting started on hanging up these uppers. We got a little distracted the other day when water was leaking in the basement at our duplex. Kyle dropped me off and is going to fix a sprinkler system at another property, and my original plan was to come in and do another coat and cut in here, but I realized we don't have any more ceiling paint, and Kyle has a truck, so I can't go get any. So Kyle always says find work, and so I am. We decided to keep this existing medicine cabinet. I just thought it looked really cool, and I don't know, I liked it. So I'm actually gonna tape it out and spray paint the edge black, and I think that'll give it like a nice little updated contemporary look, and then we'll match the black fixtures that we're doing. All right, so we're gonna let that sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna do a second coat. Kyle is back. I got him doing the painting, which is crazy because he hates painting. He volunteered.
I did, because there's you can tell I don't have much to do, just these two. And also...
Wait.
What, did I paint all over my face?
No, your suntan.
Oh.
Kyle went golfing yesterday, and he always wears his hat backwards, and so he has a nice, sweet tan line.
Where?
Right? Okay, here. Yeah.
We saw our painter do this and we thought it was genius. And instead of using a paint tray, he used a piece of cardboard. And so we started doing it, and it's like genius. It's so much better than a paint tray.
And it's more environmentally friendly because we're reusing what would have just been garbage, and then we're not buying the plastic liners, creating less waste. Apparently Kyle is an amateur painter because he got paint on his shorts, which we would categorize as his good shorts. So he stormed off, pissed that he got his good shorts damaged, and handed the brush over to me because I was smart and came in paint clothes.
So I actually got it out, but then I looked at this leg and I got freaking specks all over it.
Wow, it's not funny. Oh, you're recording me too.
I was so excited that I got it out. I was like, I can't believe this actually came out. And then, bam.
What's up, Father? What? Hello? I think I got a butt dial. My dad is notorious for butt dialing. Dad! Alright.
I don't get how he does it. How does it happen? He's got to be the only person with a smartphone that pocket dial people.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fuck it.
This is the hardest shoulder bicep workout ever. My dad again. What do you think? Butt dial or real dial?
It might be real dial.
Daddy!
Hey, my dear, how you doing?
How are you? Did you know you butt dialed me a couple minutes ago?
No, matter of fact, while I'm here, he said, I just did the same thing. The phone's in my freaking pocket.
Let me see.
Finally got these cabinets hung. It took us a little while because we kept getting pulled away to do other things. It's exciting to step back and see that it's really starting to look like a kitchen. And because we're gonna be house hacking, it's gonna be our kitchen. I just pulled up to our duplex, which is where the tree fell in the garage, because today they are starting the demolition of the garage itself. So we're gonna check it out and see how they're doing. Good.
As you all may or may not know, Lauren and I more recently have been putting into effect ways that we can start distancing ourselves from our projects and the renovations and really scaling our business. We wanted to get the communal area, the staircase painted, the downstairs foyer painted, because we're getting new carpet put in there. Instead of doing it ourselves, it would take Lauren a few days and to string full few days together for her is pretty difficult. So we decided to go with our painter, who we've used a bunch of times. The guy's awesome. We called him 2 days ago. He's out today. He's starting this morning, and it should be a one-day job. Under 300 bucks, you can't beat that. Those hours that we save now having to come out and do that, we can implement and start doing other things. They're here now. Let's go check out and see how they're doing.
My window for appliance delivery is 12:30 to 3:30. It's 1:30, so haven't heard from them yet. But I am gonna go downstairs and check out the paint job that the painters did in the foyer because I wasn't here for it and I'm so excited about it. It looks so cute, and then we're having new carpet installed, and then we're doing LVP on the floor. So really gonna like brighten up the whole space and be super welcoming. So I guess just now I wait. They're here. Yay. So they're here and he goes, "You ready?" And I was like, "Are you ready? Because you gotta go 3 flights of stairs." And he was like, "You gotta be kidding me." So he measured though, he thinks it's gonna fit. I think if anything, the washer dryer is gonna give him some trouble, so we'll see. Fingers crossed. All right, they just left and they had a lot of trouble, but they got it all in. I'm so excited. Some scratches up on the staircase, but nothing we can't spackle and paint and fix, so. But they were dying, so while they were kind of like bringing everything up, I ran over to Wawa and got them some waters and some Gatorades, and it was very much appreciated. So let's see, I think they're loading up now. Bye guys, thank you. So they fit up the stairs and into the unit. Now the question is, how are we positioning all these appliances in this tiny kitchen? And the fridge isn't even here yet. Apparently there is a appliance shortage in general due to COVID. We actually have 2 ordered from 2 different stores, so whatever one gets here first, that's the one we're gonna go with. This was the last big task before we go on vacation for about a week and a half. So place is just gonna sit empty for a little while we get a little R&R, and we'll be back and ready to go in full force soon enough. Last time you saw us, we were having appliances delivered. We took a little bit of a break. We went on a little family vacation down at the Jersey Shore for about 2 weeks. Enjoyed lots of sun, seafood, family time, and it was really great. But we're back, and to be honest, the major delay that we're going through right now is we can't get a refrigerator. So we ordered a fridge from 2 places. The first place, we still have our order with them. It's just back ordered indefinitely. And the other place, they straight up canceled our order. Due to COVID, there's a lot of supply chain issues and it's very difficult to get a stainless steel fridge. And that's holding us up because we can't situate the rest of the kitchen and get measurements for the counters without the fridge. But we are gonna be making some progress. Today we are having the carpet installed in our bedroom and in the common areas downstairs. And while we wait for the installers to show up, we are going to take some measurements for baseboard and get this living room all finished.
Do 11 foot. When we're doing baseboard, what I like to do is pull measurement and then go to the closest foot after your measurement, so that when you're at the store, you can cut them down to that measurement. For example, this side is just under 6 feet, so at the store, I'll actually cut that piece of baseboard down to 6 feet. Decreases the amount of length that you're driving home with, and decreases the amount of waste once you get here, trying to figure out which pieces to use. And that ensures that your runs are one full piece and you're not mitering and having to miter pieces together. One full baseboard per wall. $174,100. You want to tell them how much we've spent so far?
This year we have spent $6,821 just at Home Depot. Doesn't count plumbing supply, doesn't count any of our subs, just materials from Home Depot. Let's get back to work. So while we ran some errands and picked up the baseboard from Home Depot, we came back and the carpet was magically installed. So goodbye, old red carpet. So I pulled up the red carpet here, and then we have this brand new C-serpent going all the way up to the 3rd floor.
And this is the carpet that we used in our first place. It's actually a commercial grade, so for this high traffic area, it's perfect. We opted for LVP down on the landing. It's just a bit easier to clean. If it's wet, gets muddy, you just wipe it. So let's take a walk up the stairs and we'll show you the 2nd floor.
This 3-floor walk up never gets easier, but once you get up here, you get to our very cozy bedroom. I love this carpet. Putting the carpet down finally makes us feel like we could see the finish line.
It's always at that point where you start closing things up and those nice finishes go down that you start to I get really jacked up and I'm like, yes, this is almost over.
Wait, can you stop moving?
Well, this is like super uncomfortable.
You chose to sit like this.
Well, let's get this done. Come on, go.
In the next episode...
You chose to sit like that.
He chose to sit like this.
Freaking guy like me is not made to be on the floor.
All right, sit down.
Okay.
In the next episode, we are going to do everything that doesn't involve the kitchen because our refrigerator is still back ordered.
Which will involve baseboard up here and laying some LVP downstairs in that common area landing.
So if you like carpet in your bedrooms, hit the like button, subscribe to BiggerPockets, and follow us along on Instagram at Rentals to Wealth. Should we do it again just in case?
No, I don't want to sit like this anymore.